Hey guys, how are you all doing? I'm Thomas Blakemore. I teach, travel and sometimes triumph. If you're new around here, welcome to the best base. That is part of my channel. I say that because that was my old class in the UK. I'm now in Dubai and I've recently just finished editing my puppetry in the classroom video. Whilst editing that video, I realised that I really had to cut and change the main story that I told to my class. So what this video is just me uploading that whole story, because I believe that it's really beneficial to see other teachers doing things in the classroom so that you can think, that's how I'm going to do it in mine. Now, I'm going to jump you into the story. However, there was a problem with this SD card, and because of that, it skips out some of the main intro. It skips out me introducing Sharky, which is the main shark in the story, and they go, "Wake up, Sharky!" And it also skips out me introducing the general setting. However, you should be able to gain a general gist of the story, and hopefully you enjoy it. I'll see you at the end, guys. So, he went up to the first fish, and the first fish, he lived in a house of seaweed.
Yeah.
And it was a yucky, disgusting. Can you use your vocabulary words? Can you think of any other words other than yucky and disgusting to describe the seaweed?
Gross.
Hands up.
Gross.
Gross.
Disgusting.
Green, yeah, not bad.
Smelly.
Smelly, maybe. And he went up to the seaweed and he said, "Fishy, fishy, I'm hungry." Can you remember the rest of it?
Yeah.
You're going to get in my belly. And the fish, he was really, really scared. And he said, "Sharky, Sharky, no you're not." No, it's not. And he said, "Sharky, Sharky, you won't get me because I'm the actual king of the CCC." It's good, isn't it? Good rhyming. So, Sharky said, "Yes, I will." And he chomped. And he chomped. And he chomped as hard as he could and he got the seaweed. But did you know what? He managed to escape. And the fish managed to swim over to his friend. And his friend lived in a different house. Frustrated, Sharky was really, really sad. So, he swam over to the next house. If you were a fish in one of these houses right now, how would you be feeling? Let's use our imprint Iggy skills. How would you be feeling? Peyton?
Really scared.
Scared, maybe, yeah. Can you use a better word, vocabulary word, for just scared? Amelia?
Terrified.
Oh, terrified, really? So you might be feeling one of those things. Let's think about what do you think? What do you think the shark might now do?
Chop, and then he goes out.
He's going to chomp and chomp until he can catch the fishes. So he swam up to the next house, and did you know that the next house, strangely, was made of loose stones? Not glass, because that would probably hurt. It was made of loose stones, like pebbles, just nicely piled up. And the two fishes inside looked at each other, a little bit scared. And the shark swam up, and he said, "Fishy, fishy." You remember the rest? "Fishy, fishy, come with me. You're going to be
in my belly."
So, the fishes looked at each other a little bit scared, but they decided to put on a brave face. And at this point, they said, "Sharky, Sharky, you can't get me because I'm the real king of the
CCC.
And how did you feel, Sharky? Frustrated. That means similar to mad. So, he chomped, and he chomped, and he chomped as hard as he could. And did you know this little pebble house fell down? But as he searched and he looked for the fishes, he realised that and the two fishes bolted as fast as they could. All the way, where did they go? They went into the next swam after them as quick as he could, but as he got to the door of the house, it was slammed shut in his face, and he was still hungry. So at this point, he was sad, starving. He really wanted to eat some fish for his food, but couldn't. So now he was really mad, and he needed to eat some fish because he was so starving. And did you know what he decided to do next? What do you think he decided to do next?
Get more fish.
Get more fish, yeah, maybe?
Do you have to eat the fish?
Maybe don't eat the fish, yeah, that's a nice idea, that's kind.
Look for more.
Look for more fish. So yeah, he was already at, Sharky was already at this house, and this next house was made of sharp, strong coral. And these three fish were hiding as well as they could inside this house made from coral. And they looked at each other, all three of them, and they were a little bit scared. They decided to put on a brave face. Can anyone give me a different word for brave? Tricky. Furious, not quite.
Courageous.
Courageous, big word, yeah, courageous. That's one of our learner profiles, isn't it? Okay. No, it's not. Brave. Brave is one of our learner profiles, but courageous, that's a great word
A brave bear.
for it. So at this point, they were being a bit more courageous, the fishes. And the fishes looked at each other and they decided they weren't going to be eaten. So they hatched a plan. They whispered to the coral, because it was coral. The coral are alive. And the coral turned outwards and they looked sharp. But the shark decided that he had really good teeth and he was going to eat them anyway. So he said to the fishes, "Fishy, fishy, come with me." And did you know, the fishes, they weren't having any of it. They said, "Sharky, Sharky, you can't get me because I'm the real king of the sea." Spot on. So, Sharky chomped and chomped and chomped as well as he could. And did you know?
He didn't.
He hurt his teeth.
Oh, have you?
And he didn't manage to get the fishes. But not only that, the house was still intact and all the three fish, with their eyes shut, trying not to be eaten, opened them. And they realised that they were safe. But the shark was still hungry and really, really furious. So what do you think could be a possible solution for the fishes to do to help the shark? Could be kind and give him some food. And that's exactly what they did. They searched around their coral house for as much food as they could find and they fed it to the shark. And after they'd fed it to the shark was full. And from that day forwards, shark looked to the support of friends. So Sharky used other people to support him and make him hungry and considered that as a kindness. And as a result, did not get mad at other fishes. And although some sharks still do eat fish, it's because they might be a little bit mad. You know, in the Dubai aquarium, do those sharks eat fishes? Maybe, yeah, they do, but it's because they're fed and the other fish kind of not true. Okay? And since that day, he's always been full. It's a good story. And from now, that's why you can sit in the classroom, don't hear, and be kind. So, what are we on? Break time. So yeah, that was the story, and I'm sure you guys will agree that the children really did enjoy it. Now, I can't stress enough the importance of using puppetry in the classroom, and if you haven't already checked it out, check out the video that I've linked at the top, and that will show you a range of tips that I gave to other teachers and you guys on how to use puppets in the classroom. Fingers crossed you think about using that, and if you haven't already, click subscribe in the corner and check out some of my other videos. If you've got any questions or anything that you want to add to this video to help other teachers out, then use the comment section down below because I always respond to those comments. Really appreciate it, guys, and I can't wait to see you in another video. And yeah, I'm out, guys.